Today, something unbelievable is happening. I'm holding the box containing the 200 million subscriber YouTube play button. Yes, 200 million. Just saying that out loud feels unreal. Let's go back a bit. When I first uploaded videos, I had 0 views, no audience, no clue what I was doing. Just a camera, an idea, and the hope that maybe someone out there might care. Then I got my first 100 subscribers. I celebrated like I won the lottery. At 1,000 subs, I cried. At 100K, I got my first real award, the silver play button. Then came the gold at 1 million, diamond at 10 million, red diamond at 100 million, a number I never imagined reaching. And now this, the custom 200 million subscriber award. No one has ever held this before. It's not even public. YouTube made it just for this moment. This box isn't just cardboard and bubble wrap. It's the result of thousands of hours, hundreds of videos, and the support of millions. You made this happen. Okay, let's open it. Sound effect, box opens. Wow! This is beyond anything I imagined. It's massive, shaped like a glowing crystal with a red YouTube logo embedded deep inside. It reflects light in every direction. And on the front, there's an inscription, to your channel name, for surpassing 200 million subscribers. I mean, look at it. It's not just a trophy, it's history. Every late night, every failed upload, every moment I almost gave up. This play button is proof that it was all worth it. But more than that, it's proof of you. Yes, you, the one watching right now. You hit subscribe. You watched. You shared. You made this possible. This isn't just my award, it's ours. And now, I want to set a new goal. Not just another number, but something bigger, impact. I want to inspire 1 billion people to create, to dream, to believe. So what's next? More videos, more stories, more connection. And maybe, one day, an award that doesn't even exist yet. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Let's keep going. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Not just for me, but for anyone chasing their dream. The journey isn't over. It's only just beginning.